Well, I have been interacting with the Parivar Sadasya of Bharatiya Janata Party. It has been a wonderful experience, and the way they are all working together to strengthen the Sangathana, the organization in the state, is commendable. I appreciate the way they are working, and with all their support and with all their coordination, I am sure that Bharatiya Janata Party will come back to power in 2022, along with the good work that the Bharatiya Janata Party government is doing here as well. Like, for example, look at the vaccinations, it's about 90% done in the state of Goa, whereas in the other states, they're still lagging behind. So I commend the Chief Minister on that. Similarly, there are so much of good work that is being done, like the widow pensions have been increased from 2,000 to 2,500. And the orphan children, the 2,000 that was given to them to take care of them, has now been increased to 4,000. And suppose an earning member of the family dies, then the family, during the Corona time, then the family is given 2 lakh of rupees as support to the family. So all this good work, I'm sure, will ensure people understand, and they will bless Bharatiya Janata Party in the form of...
What has been your message towards the youth leaders with whom you interacted in a meeting and all?
No, see, I came here to look at the organization aspect of the party, and I have given them the same organizational message that they will have to work together and ensure that Bharatiya Janata Party comes back.
There are so many issues which are moving around here, especially now the recent which have been tabled in the assembly, like the Bhumiputra bill. A lot of goals have been annoyed, saying that this is not in the favor of the state. And what do you say?
No, see, Bhumiputra bill, I mean, I'm not very clear why they are saying it is not in favor of the state of Goa, because here there is one way of preventing the migrated people from acquiring the entire land here. They are saying 30 years of residency is very, very important here, which means people who have been living in Goa for 30 years will become a Goan themselves. So in that sense, it's been an attempt to protect the land of Goa, and I'm sure once the CM gives his clarifications, the people of Goa will understand when and when.
गोवा में 2022 में इलेक्शन होने वाला है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी से कितनी महिलाओं को प्रतिनिधित्व मिल सकता है आपको? क्या आपने
नहीं, देखिए, अभी तो मैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एस्पेक्ट में देखने के लिए आई हूँ. यहाँ के जो कैंडिडेट्स तय करना है वो सब प्रदेश अध्यक्ष करेंगे अपने नेताओं के साथ.
But you feel a woman should also be given
Of course, women should be given importance, and I'm sure he will give importance to them. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Can you comment on Rahul Gandhi parliament?
Why should I comment on somebody else?
Thank you.
I would rather stick to my party. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Now we can leave flight variety का पावलेट जाती. चल बरे आप.
परिवार सदस्य
तो बस चल गाड़ी